Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya Dikshit. You are watching your favorite channel Corpbiz. Today in this video we are going to talk about the trademark search. But before that, let me tell you, we have already covered the topic trademark registration and the trademark renewal. The videos regarding that you can easily get by clicking on the I button, which is available on the above portion in this video, and you can easily get all the information regarding the trademark registration and trademark renewal. But now the time is to talk about the trademark search. In this video we are going to tell you what is our trademark search, what is the searching strategy if you are going for the trademark search, what are the benefits, what is the registration procedure. So let's begin the video. Trademark search. Trademark search assists you to know that if there are similar trademark available. It's also provide you a fair picture that where your trademark stand. Moreover, it also means guide you, it provide you a guidance so that in future there should not be conflict or any litigation if you are registering for the trademark. Now, if we talk about the trademark class, then there are 45 class of trademark, 1 to 35 represent good and rest of the class represent services. Searching strategy for trademark. If you're going for the trademark search, then there has been a searching strategy. If you follow that, then it's possible for you to get a good result. For that, you must have to first of all look on the nature of the good or services that cover the mark, the nature of the mark, the applicant allocation resources, and you also have to look timeline for bringing the mark to commercial domain. Now let me tell you about the benefit of the trademark search. The first benefit is that it reduces the chance of conflict and litigation. It saves your time. It also provides you a fair picture where your trademark stand, and by the trademark search it also provides the scope of expansion. Means you are able to think that you can move forward with the particular trademark or not. Steps to check for a trademark. So there are certain steps to be followed if you are going for the trademark search. It can be done in two modes. One can be done with the Corpbiz, means with our team. Trademark search can be done easily with the Corpbiz. For that, you just need to file the application form and provide the required detail. We'll call you as soon as possible and your work will be done easily and comfortably. Trademark search can also be done by visiting the official website of trademark registration. For that, the applicant need to visit the official website. Click on the trademark tab, then click on the public search. There are 3 search criteria available: wordmark, Vinacode, phonetic. Once all the details have been entered, you will need to click the search button. The result panel will show the list of trademark either registered, objected, abandoned, which will serve as the basis to decide on the trademark. So this was all in the trademark search. We'll connect soon with a new informative video. Till then, you take care. Thank you.